welcome to Canvic Traders YouTube channel. This is Sham, and today we have come up with an interesting topic that OA interpretation. That what is long build up, short covering, long unwinding. What is all this terminology, and how do we identify which stock or which indices in which category of this OA, and how to trade with that, how to identify with the charts, and how to how to find these kind of a stocks with a screener. What kind of a screeners are available in the market right now, and how to trade with that. So without any ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome back. So we already know that what is open interest. Again, I'm telling the short definition of that. Open interest is the total number of outstanding derivative contracts. Okay, outstanding, not at liquidated, not at exercised, not at closed. If you don't know about OA, we have given the complete analysis and what is open interest and change in open interest in previous videos. You please go and watch that before watching this video. That would be helpful for you. Okay, so how to interpret the data, OA data. Okay, so if the OA is going up for any stocks or indices, so up, and price also going up, that means long build up. Okay, later we'll see the live examples also. Okay, if OA is going up and price is going up, what is the interpretation? What we can expect from that move? That's what you should learn from in this juncture. Okay, and price OA is going down, and also the price also going down. What does it mean? Buyers are losing interest on that particular future or indices. That means whoever taken the long trade, suppose for example on 100 rupees they have taken that, at 50-55 rupees they found some resistance over there, or their target is only 50 rupees, 50 points. So they want to unwind their position, they want to liquidate that particular derivative contract to book the profit. So what they'll do is they close their contract to book their profits. Okay, they don't want to leave their profits on the table, so they'll closing the contract. So that's why OA is coming down. So when they are closing the trades, the supply is more than demand, so definitely that price also is coming down. So this is called long unwinding. Long unwinding. Okay, then if the OA is going up and the price is coming down, see, OA is continuously raising. That means fresh contracts are adding, but price is coming down. That means people are expecting the price should go more down, so they are increasing the open interest, they are increasing their contracts, or new sellers are coming. So that is means short build up, shorts are building up. Okay, that's why price is going down and OA is continuously rising. Short build up. Okay, then the fourth one, OI is down and price is going up. This is called short covering. That means whoever shorted the, for example, 100 rupees, okay, their target would be 75. At 75 rupees they've already found a support, strong support, or previous week close or something like that. Any technical indicator or there, 200 MA, 100 MA, something strong resistance over there. So they feel that price will not go and crack this level, so they want to close their position to book the profits, and they don't want to continue or risk their trade. So that's why OA is coming down and price is going up. Then they'll we can interpret as a short covering. This is very fast actually whenever the short covering move. So this is basically the definitions of the long build up, long unwinding, short build up, and short covering. If you have any confusion, please go back to the video and watch it again slowly. Okay, then uh, we'll go to the trading insight. Okay, so we have already given in the previous slide, right? So OA is going up and price is going up. We have learned already this is long build up. So what is the trading insight? Uptrend is true, initiate long or adds. At this stage we can initiate the longs. Okay, and OA is coming down and price is going up. What is this? Short covering. So short covering, shorts are covering up. Okay, reversal in the downtrend we have discussed in the earlier slide, right? So it is in reversing the downtrend. Rise is very ferocious, but for a limited time only. Okay, many of the option buyers will wait for the short covering to enter into the long trades of their CE or PE side also. Okay, and then O is going up and price is coming down, so it is called short build up. Downtrend is true. This is the right time to initiate short or add more shorts on this at this time. Okay. And then OA also coming down, price also coming down. That means long unwinding. Don't do anything better in this phase actually. Either a small pause or reversal uptrend. So what is the best thing is that once you see the rally and if you see the unwinding, whenever unwinding is pausing, if it is breaking the upwards or downwards, you can take the trades with the help of OA interpretation and the charts and whatever the indicators you follow that. Okay, so next we'll see all the four in one image. I apologize for my bad drawing, guys. Okay, this is the red line is OA and this is price 100, 150, 200. Let's assume that. Then this is the prime green line. Okay, price is going up and OA also going up. What is this called? Long build up. Okay, so at 200, whoever taken the trades at 100 rupees or 150 or in between that, they found there some support, sorry, resistance. So they want to liquidate their contracts here. So the OA also going flat or continuously decreasing. Okay, so it is called long unwinding this phase. Okay, then the OA is increasing, the price is going down. This is called short buildup. Okay. Then at a point of time, suppose 110 or 100 rupees, it is finding the support here. Just for example, guys, not exact one. Okay, so the OA is coming down and the price is going up. This is called short covering. Then again the price is going up and the OA also continuously rising. Again the fourth phase of long buildup is happening. We can see all these stages in one stock in one day also. This is not like a certain rule like it is long buildup so it should go up. No, it is not like that situation. So due to the n number of factors, n number of reasons, these four conditions we can see in one day also. Okay, so this is basically about long buildup, long unwinding, short buildup, short covering, and long buildup. And if you have any questions, please comment in the below. We'll go to the next section, that is what are the screeners are available in the market right now. Let's see this. So to find out the scanner, you just go to the Google and type this derivative scanner money control. Okay, so you will get the money control page over here. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please go and hit the subscribe button for to know more techniques, strategies, and more updates, information about the stock well markets. Okay, thank you. So in this page, once you landing in this page, it is directly will not be there like a long build up, short build up, something like that. So it will be here like it in this format, increasing in OA and increasing in price. We have already learned this. What is it? It is long build up, right? So we'll see how it is showing in the chart. National Aluminum Futures. I'm opening that because opening in sorry open interest is will be there at futures only. It will not be there in cash markets. So what is the condition? It's continuously raising the price, and along with the OA also. So this the condition has been satisfied with this. And next, see another example: increasing in OA and decrease in price. That means short buildup, right? So let's see PNB. PNB future. So what is the condition? Increasing in OA, decrease in price. Increasing in OA, decreasing in price. So shorters are more interested in this stock once they hit they touch it, the 39 levels. They are finding that this is the best for shorting. So from these levels, continuously with the volume, red volume, if you see this, and OA also gradually increasing this. This is the short buildup. Okay, and then next see decrease in OA, decrease in price, that is long unwinding, right? So let's see BHL. So decreasing in price and decreasing in OA also, because they found that they don't want to continue their position. We have already discussed this the complete scenario, right? Whoever entered at here and this price, they want to book their profits at here. Maybe this is the double top kind of a pattern, or something 100 moving average or 200 moving average will be there. So they are unwinding their position. So that's why it is showing the hook kind of a thing, reverse hook, and the price also coming down. Okay, then the next scenario, the fourth one, this is a short covering, right? Decrease in OA and increasing in price at the Adani ports. Let's see this last example. Yeah, decrease in OA. Okay, it is decreasing and rising in the price. It's up, increasing in the price, right? So this is called a short covering. This is, we have learned already, this is a very ferocious, but this is temporary. Okay, so at some point it will set the direction also. Okay, so how to use these interpretation data with your strategy? Okay, do I go directly whatever the long build-up stocks can I buy directly? No. This is also one of the main indicator, especially if you are working in a derivative segment like futures and market options also. So if you are dealing with cash stocks, how it will be useful for you? I am into cash, so how can I useful, how can I use this data if you ask me like that? So if you want to trade on sale or national EMA or NMDC Manappuram stocks, if you were, if your strategy is saying that buy at this level and by 9:30 you come to this stock and refresh this data, it will be live actually for every 3 to 5 minutes, it will get updated. So once your strategy is giving a buy signal, okay, or else if you see the data here and if you shortlist the 5 or 6 stocks, then go to your strategy. If your strategy also saying that yes, you can go ahead with the buy, or you can short this stock, with this data, along with this data you can go and trade with that. But don't trade on base this data only. Okay, and why this data is important? Because this is already data driven. We are looking at, and all the big boys with the fat capital, they already parked their money in these particular stocks with the huge OA, either in long side or short covering, whatever it may be in the four scenarios. So we have to find their footprints and we just follow that on that day, and we have to take our little bit or big profit or medium profits and come back and go for another opportunities. We'll wait for another opportunities. So this is what about long build up, short build up, and short covering, guys. Hope you like the video. Please go and hit the like button also for me. Thank you so much.